What's up, guys? Thrift Trapper here, owner of Creating Our Own Lives, Cool Apparel Co. I'm an eBay seller. I resell clothing, furniture, electronics, and today I'm just going to be showing you a day in the life of what I do every day, how I make my money, how I get items, how I sell them, how I list them, where I sell them at, how I ship them and get them to the buyer. I'll show you the reality of this and just go from there. Hope you enjoy. First, I got a couple things to do today. I got to meet this lady on Facebook Marketplace. I got a china cabinet yesterday for $1. Got it listed for $80 on Facebook. She's supposed to be coming around 1:30 to pick it up. We didn't really talk about the price, but I'm hoping maybe she'll pay full price, $80. That's what I got it listed at, but we'll see. After that, I gotta get 10, 15, 20 items ready to list, take pictures of, put on the eBay on the website, cross list them over to Depop, and then after that I'm gonna be shipping out a couple packages that I got to get out this weekend, take those to the post office, and then I'll probably just sit back, enjoy watching some football today. So here's this china cabinet. I got this for, like I said, $1 at the thrift store. It's in pretty good condition, has minor wear. Doors open perfect, got the magnets to keep them closed, drawers, cabinet, very clean. Just has some wear on the sides, which you could easily stain, make this thing look brand new again. For $80, so I see most of them are going for like 50 to 100. I got it for $1, so I threw it up for 80. Woman's supposed to come pick it up. She didn't really talk about the price, so I'm assuming she's going to pay full price, $80, but I would take less, so we'll see how it goes, and I'll let you guys know when she picks it up. All right, so the lady, she came through, smooth transaction. They ended up giving me $70. I wasn't going to really, counter them or hassle them. I paid $1, got $70. I bought it yesterday, going in less than 24 hours. Can't beat it, so... furniture, it's not really my main thing, but if I see something nice for $1, I can sell for $30, $40, $50, $70. I'm going to do it every time, So now I'm out here at the shed. This is where I keep all my inventory, most of my clothing. I got it all boxed up in here. Every day I come out here, I pick out 10, 15 items to list. Go in there in the house, picture it in my station, get it all pictured, get it ready to list on eBay, cross list to Depop. So I'm about to go get 15 items real quick, and then we're going to take some pictures. So as you guys can see, I got tons and tons and tons of just unsorted inventory. This is all good stuff. I've personally washed and seen every single piece that I've put in these boxes. I have about 75 boxes of just good Nike hoodies, Carhartt, Tommy Hilfiger, Polo Ralph Lauren, Ariat, all the desirable brands. And, every day I come out, I get about 15 items out of these, and I list. So I'm going to show you what I got for today. So here's what I got to list today. We got a nice chunky knit Tommy Hilfiger, the flag logo sweater. Project Rock, gonna need a lint roll, make sure it's all good, but those are pretty good money. Great sell-through rate. This, not necessarily the biggest brand, Gulfstream Park, but comps were pretty good on it. I got it for $1. The last one sold for around 80, so maybe it's a brand to be on the lookout for. Arizona, I don't typically sell a lot of these, but the style, Sherpa line, corduroy, wintertime, got it for $1. LL Bean fleece, all of these items are pretty low end, mid-tier, just average items, but I get everything normally for $1 or free. So Columbia fleece, we got some American Eagle cargo shorts. Shorts do sell year round, just gotta price them right. When you get things for $1, it's not hard to beat the market. We got some vintage Nike Team Duke shorts. Got a Duke logo on there somewhere. It's basketball season. Shorts are selling. Got another pair of, I think these are American Eagle as well. American Eagle cargo. You know, paid $1. We'll probably get about 15. Abercrombie. These styles are doing real well right now. The polo stripes. If it was a normal polo, probably wouldn't get it, but since it's got the stripes. Lucky brand, it's another mall brand that does pretty well. Just depends on the style and the you know, you want to look at the code. These are the 223 straights. Pretty good style. And then of course we got the this is a trench coat. Leather trench coats are in right now. You know, I got this for $1. It's probably gonna sell for $40, maybe $75. It's a Pell, so you know, we'll see. Last one I sold was I sold a Wilson's one the other day. It was listed for 2 days. Took an offer for $60. We got these for free. Just some Sperry boots, and then we also got these for free out of the donation box. Some Nikes, lightly used, pretty clean, women's size. So I'm gonna go get all these pictured, and then I'll start working on the listings, and I'll get back to you. For those of you wondering how we get donations, how we get free clothes, you know, I'm sure you could just put an ad on Facebook saying you're accepting donations, you're accepting free clothes, but I went ahead and invested in one of these donation bins, and it's been, you know, pretty helpful in getting some free clothes. I paid $500 for this. Had to go and pick it up. I painted it orange because it was blue. Could probably use another coat, but you know, it does its job, it serves its purpose. And this is how I get some of my free clothes. Just let it roll. Get it all nice. Got our orders ready, got the labels. About to take some pictures of these shoes, and then we're all done. Head to the post. So, got these packages. About to go take them to the post office. Enter. And then we're gonna drop these off. I'm gonna do some eBay listings. I'm gonna do some eBay listings, and then that'll pretty much do it for the day. Watch some football, enjoy my night, finish some listings. But that's pretty much a day in the life. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one.